Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. Taurus. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. This card is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Taurus. So let's see what are these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, I have a pick a card love reading, so that may clear the doubts you have or some confusion. So you can stay tuned for that. That will follow this general guidance, Taurus. So let's start with these cards. We have Fortune's Wheel, 5 of Earth, and 10 of Air. So in your situation, guys, Taurus, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship. You are someone who is really, grounded, practical. You think everything clearly and you take up anything only after clear thought, and you want you want clarity in any situation. But today something is not clear in your situation. Maybe on maybe if you see your circumstance, you see it with you see opportunities in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship, something that which you love. But truthfully, there are some it may not seem what it is on the outward. So something is different, something is missing, and you are not aware of what is the truth or what is the situation you have. Maybe for some of you, you are you lack the vision to see what opportunities or what blessings you have in your situation. Maybe you feel sad and stressed because you have overlooked certain things. Maybe you are quite skilled or talented enough and you are having that potential to reach success and opportunities to reach success, but you have overlooked certain things, and today you are instead of reacting in your situation, you are responding. So you want to change the way you have seen your situation. You have learned your lesson. Maybe it may be the energy in this relationship, guys. You have learned what was your mistake and what is the reason for certain things happening in a particular way, and you want to change yourself, change your ways of doing things. So that may be the reason we have these cards. You want to see things differently today, have a clear perception today, and maybe for some of you, you may see your situation changing dramatically, guys. Maybe you may have some lucky breaks in your work or even in your relationship. Maybe things are changing dramatically, guys. Something unexpected may happen, and it is helping you avoid some awkward or a bad situation, and you are moving towards your destiny, whatever that is, guys. Maybe for some of you, you may see a new beginning in the way of thought or even in your circumstances. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have Six of Earth. So with this card in your relationship, guys, you are simply going to be surprised. That is what I said. Some kind of a lucky break you may get. Maybe you felt that this relationship may not work and it is moving towards some kind of a negative phase, but something may come up changing the way things are between you both, and you are going to be really happy, guys. And let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Page of Air. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are having new ideas and your attention is on something new. It may be a new opportunity that has reached you today, guys, Taurus, in your career situation. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys, Cherish Innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear, and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously. Just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for you all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots, and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, You need to use your skills and talents, your wit and your what to say that shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship, they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself. So you need not look for something outside. So you just need to be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.